Well, that took forever. So apparently the aftermarket parts are not exactly the same size, and that must have been the original, because the aftermarket piece is just a little bit larger than the hole where that little elbow goes into. So I had to get creative and make the hole a little bit larger. Obviously you only want it to be oh so slightly larger, so I basically scraped it out with a trashy screwdriver that I've had forever, a short stubby one, and ended up having to turn it upside down and eventually went in there. But that took forever. So here goes the rest. Okay, so after I got that piece up there in, came down here and I fixed that in its place, whatever the heck you want to call it. See if you can get a better look. No. Alright, so it's the same as the other one from earlier. This one's just a different color. You go up from the bottom, and this piece goes through this hole of the metal. When you come through, it clips, and those brackets that are like wall screws or anchor screws pop out, and now it won't pull back. So you've got this extra slack to deal with, and that's where that faux bracket comes in that is automatically on this machine, the Troy-Bilt Pony. So you come up here through the battery case or holder, whatever, and right there you clip this cable in. Now I'm not done yet, just showing you where it's at, and that helps to hold the slack out of the moving parts, basically, or it's supposed to. Okay, so I got the cable down in there. This part of the cable is also thicker than the old one, and I had to work quite a bit to get it in there without ripping that off, that outside casing for the actual cable. But so here it is over here, here it is over here, it goes here, and that's how I found it. It's halfway hanging out the back, so to speak. I tried to make it otherwise and it doesn't want to be. This is where it wants to be. Follow it to the bracket that I just put it in. And then you can follow the cable all the way down to the deck. And that part y'all have already seen. Here, there's the pin. On the other side there, there's the spring and the end of the wire. Let's give it a shot. Alright, so I'm pulling the lever. Right now it's an off. Go PTO on. So far nothing broken. Let's look right down there. PTO off. Alright, so far so good. Alright. Next test will be with it on, but I won't make y'all wait for me for that.